Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create a group conversation on your Google Pixel 10. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Messages app, and here you guys want to select Start Chat. Now, let's go over and click on Create Group, and here you guys can select people that you want to add to the group chat. So for an example, let's add this number, now this number, and this number too. So we can basically add a lot of numbers here. And now let's click Next. Now give the group a name. It's of course it's optional, but you guys can just leave it like that. Now we can add some emojis, click on Done, and here, as you guys can see, we created a group with Hard Reset and 7 others. So here we can check the people that are on the group, and that's basically how you guys can create the group conversation. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.